Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming requirements. Check your Android version in About Phone and update the Dialer app. Once done, grant phone and contacts permissions so the new screen can display caller details. Open Settings and go straight to Apps or Default Apps. You need to select the app that will handle calls. This step ensures the system routes incoming calls to the custom screen. Make sure to reboot if prompted so permission changes take full effect before continuing. Now you pick the new call screen inside the app. Open the app, find Call Screen or Caller ID settings, and choose a layout that fits your workflow. You do this because layouts control answer/reject gestures and button placement. Once selected, enable full screen or overlay permissions so the screen replaces the stock UI. Make sure to test with a quick incoming call simulation if available. If the app offers contact-specific templates, configure those now to prioritize frequent callers. Finish by testing. Call your phone from another device or use the app's test option to confirm the new screen appears. If it doesn't, go back to Settings and recheck Default Phone App Selection and Overlay or Draw Over Other Apps permission. These often block the custom UI. Once corrected, clear the app cache or reinstall if problems persist. If calls still fall back to the stock screen, reboot and retry. Make sure battery optimization isn't restricting the call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.